The big idea I have chosen is expectation. This falls under the statistics and probability strand of mathematics under the Australian curriculum. Expectation forms when individuals wish to harness variation and summarize data. Examples of expectation in the real world include: what is the typical price? What is the average temperature? What is the chance of tossing a head when tossing a coin? Expectation is important because this is where students learn about chance. Words such as likely, unlikely, possibility, likelihood, certain, impossible, odds, probability are all used to identify different chance outcomes. In early years, students can use chance language in simple experiments involving a six-sided dice. The teacher can ask students questions such as, what are the odds of rolling a 4? Possible. What are the odds of rolling 2 4s in a row? Unlikely. What are the odds of rolling an odd number? Likely. What are the odds of rolling a number between 1 and 6? Certain. What are the odds of rolling a 7? Impossible. As students progress in their understandings of chance, fractions can then be used to describe and represent probabilities. By years 5 and 6, students should be able to use information from experiments and put the data into a fraction. For example, it was determined the odds of rolling an odd number in a six-sided dice is a likely occurrence. As there are 3 odd numbers between 1 and 6, there is a 3 out of 6 chance an odd number will be rolled. This can be represented as a fraction 3 over 6. The teacher could ask advanced students how 3 over 6 could be simplified, then how it can be changed into a decimal. This activity can then be expanded on further and linked to a fractions and decimals lesson. Many students have difficulties in understanding probability concepts. Likely difficulties to occur, according to Booker et al., include students being uncomfortable speaking in uncertain terms, students preferring to use specific language rather than flexible terms such as likely and possibly, students having incorrect perceptions about the odds of rolling numbers on a six-sided dice, students not being able to identify all possible outcomes, students not using systematic methods for recording all possible outcomes, and students allowing ideas they may already have about probability to influence their predictions. In order to assist students with overcoming their difficulties, it can be a good idea for teachers to use books as a way to enrich students' learning about probability-related concepts. The Mathematical Association of Victoria has a great website where books can be found for each year level and topic.